Welcome to Japan, land of the rising. Weirdness? This country is a fascinating blend of the ancient and the ultra-modern, where tradition and innovation coexist in the most unexpected ways. It's a place with old temples that whisper stories of the past, snowy mountains that touch the sky, and bright, colorful cities that never sleep. Super-fast bullet trains zoom past ancient shrines, and cherry blossoms explode in a shower of pink, painting the landscape with their delicate hues. This is the Japan we think we know, where old ways and new technology get along great, creating a harmonious blend of the past and the future. But if you go off the main roads, you'll find a Japan that's, well, a little strange. Hidden in narrow alleyways and rural villages are sights that defy expectations. Get ready, because we're going on a trip to uncover Japan's hidden side, a side that tourists rarely see, filled with quirky surprises and scenic beauty. A trip where pretty and bizarre mix together, showing us a world that will make you think twice. From owl cafes to people buried in hot sand, Japan is full of unexpected wonders. Mount Fuji, the giant mountain. Mount Fuji is huge. Standing at 3,776 meters, it is the tallest mountain in Japan and one of the most iconic peaks in the world. You can see it for miles and miles. Its snow-capped peak is visible from Tokyo on clear days, making it a constant presence in the lives of many Japanese people. It's a symbol of Japan. The mountain is not just a natural wonder but also a cultural icon, representing the beauty and resilience of the country. This majestic volcano, shaped like a perfect cone, has inspired artists and spiritual people for hundreds of years. Its symmetrical shape and serene presence have been subjects of countless artworks. Every year, tons of people climb for 2 whole days to reach the top. The journey is challenging but rewarding, offering a sense of accomplishment and a closer connection to nature. When the sun comes up, painting the sky orange and gold, the view from the top is amazing. The sunrise from Mount Fuji, known as Goraiko, is a spiritual experience for many. Mount Fuji is a big part of Japanese culture. It features prominently in festivals, literature, and even in the everyday lives of the people. You see it in paintings, books, and poems. The mountain has been a muse for poets and writers, capturing its essence in words and images. Whether you climb to the top or just look at it from far away, Mount Fuji is something you won't forget. Its grandeur and beauty leave a lasting impression on all who witness it. Fushimi Inari, a maze of red gates. In Kyoto, tucked away in the hills, is the Fushimi Inari Shrine. Thousands of bright red gates called torii go up the mountain, making a tunnel of color that seems to go on forever. These gates show the line between the normal world and the sacred world, the world of humans and the world of kami, the Shinto gods. As you walk under the red arches, the sunlight makes cool shadows and lights. Fushimi Inari is more than just a shrine. It's a journey for your body and your spirit. Shibuya Crossing, where everyone meets. Imagine a huge crowd of people all moving together perfectly. This is Shibuya Crossing, the busiest intersection in the world, where thousands of people cross the street every few minutes. It's organized chaos. When the light turns red, people come from every direction. Shibuya Crossing is like a mini Tokyo, fast, energetic, and exciting. It's a place where you can feel the heartbeat of this awesome city. A place where you know you're part of something really big. Arashiyama Bamboo Forest, a green symphony. Walk into the Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, and you'll feel like you're in a different world. Tall bamboo stalks make a green cathedral, and their skinny trunks sway in the wind. Sunlight comes through the leaves, making pretty patterns on the ground. The Arashiyama Bamboo Grove is peaceful and quiet, a place to escape the noise of everyday life. Surrounded by nature's beauty and calm, you'll feel super relaxed. Owl cafes, staring into the unknown. In busy Tokyo, there's a weird new trend: owl cafes. These are cafes where you can drink coffee while owls watch you from branches. They're amazing birds with intense eyes and silent wings. Being in an owl cafe is a strange experience. The owls don't seem to care about the people, and their stares make them seem super smart. Whether you think owl cafes are cute or creepy, they show how much Japan loves unusual and cute things. Imagine being buried alive, covered in warm sand, feeling the earth all around you. In Kagoshima, Japan, sandbathing is popular. People think it's good for you. You lie in a hole in the volcanic sand, covered from your neck to your toes in the warm grains. The heat goes deep into your muscles, making aches and pains go away. People say the sand pulls out bad stuff from your body. It's a weird feeling, but after a while you feel relaxed and calm. Whether or not you think it's healthy, sandbathing is a unique experience. In Nara, there's an amazing park where hundreds of wild deer walk around. These deer are special, like messengers from the gods, and they're used to people. If you have a special rice cracker, you'll see something cool. The deer will bow its head over and over, like it's asking politely for the treat. But be careful. These are wild animals, and they'll chase you if you tease them without giving them a snack. Nara Deer Park is a place where wild and tame mix, showing how humans and nature can live together. Everyone knows Japan loves vending machines. They sell everything from hot coffee and cold beer to umbrellas and face masks. But if you look closely, you'll find vending machines that sell much weirder stuff. Imagine finding a vending machine selling used clothes, or maybe one with fresh eggs and live beetles. The crazy things you can buy from Japanese vending machines is amazing. They have something for everyone, even the strangest things. It makes you wonder who buys this stuff. Our trip through Japan is ending, and we're left feeling amazed. The experiences we've had, the places we've seen, and the people we've met have all contributed to an unforgettable journey. From the majestic beauty of Mount Fuji to the quirky charm of owl cafes, Japan is full of surprises. Each destination offered something unique, something that left us in awe. So, would you visit the bustling Shibuya crossing where the energy is palpable, or would you prefer the serene experience of being buried in hot sand? Each choice offers a different slice of Japanese culture. Would you look into an owl's eyes while sipping your coffee? It's a surreal experience that you can only find here. The blend of the ordinary and the extraordinary is what makes Japan so special. But one thing's for sure, this is just the start of our exploration of the world's most fascinating and bizarre places. There are countless more adventures waiting for us out there. Join us next time as we embark on a new journey, uncovering more hidden wonders and experiencing the diverse cultures that make our world so rich and vibrant. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Your support helps us continue bringing you these incredible stories from around the globe.